Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a new server. Start with a clear plan. Decide what your server will do, whether it's hosting a website, storing files, or running applications. This guides your hardware choices. Select a robust CPU, ample RAM. At least 16 gigabytes is a good starting point, and fast storage, like solid-state drives. Don't forget a reliable power supply and effective cooling to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. Once your hardware is assembled, it's time for the operating system. Create a bootable USB drive with your preferred server OS, such as Linux or Windows Server. Connect a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, then boot from your installation media. Follow the guided steps to install the OS, configure network settings, and set up your initial user accounts. This is a crucial step for your server's foundation. With the OS installed, immediately update it and install any missing drivers. Next, focus on security. Configure a robust firewall, allowing only necessary ports. For remote access, use SSH with key-based authentication for enhanced security, avoiding password-only logins. Finally, establish a consistent backup strategy. Schedule daily or weekly backups of critical data to an off-site location or separate storage device. Now, deploy your applications and services. Install web servers like Apache or Nginx, database systems, or file-sharing software. Configure each service carefully and thoroughly test its functionality to ensure everything works as expected. Implement monitoring tools to track performance metrics and server health, alerting you to potential issues. Remember to document your entire setup for future reference and easier maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.